So hello everyone, welcome to the last module of this week, and the name of this module is Facebook Marketing, Introduction and Types of Various Ad Formats. As the name suggests, in this module we are going to learn the basics of Facebook marketing and various ad formats that you can use in Facebook advertising. So under this module, you will specifically learn what is Facebook marketing, why to choose Facebook for marketing, and lastly, what are various ad formats that you can use in Facebook. So in this module, although we are going to touch upon the very basic concept of Facebook marketing, but these concepts are very important to understand before we start practically working on Facebook. So let us start our journey to the Facebook marketing by going through very interesting facts of the Facebook. Today we are going to talk about the Facebook marketing. The Facebook was started in 2004 and no one would have thought that Facebook will become so big in the domain of social media. The Facebook is so big that it has, as on June 2019, the 2.41 billion monthly active users and 1.59 billion daily active users on it. It is huge. Primarily, Facebook is a social networking website where users can post comments, share photographs, and post links to the news or other interesting content on the website, chat live, and watch the short form videos. Keeping in mind the unique features of Facebook, businesses saw immense potential of the marketing on Facebook to engage with the audience. In 2018, Facebook reported the advertising revenue of $16.6 billion, which is 30% increase over the last year. It shows the popularity of the Facebook amongst the digital marketers. Let me first define what is Facebook marketing, then I will discuss why every businessman should give a thought at least once to go for Facebook marketing. What is Facebook marketing? According to Marketing School, Facebook marketing refers to creating and actively using a Facebook page or profile as a communication channel to maintain contact with and attract the customers. Facebook actively provides for this, allowing users to create individual profiles or business pages for companies, organizations, or any group attempting to develop a fan base for a product, service, or a brand. In simple words, Facebook marketing is to acquire, develop, and to retain the customer for a longer period by using the various tools offered by the Facebook, such as creation of fan pages, promoting your product through ad campaigns, creation of group of like-minded people, and so on. Now let me discuss few reasons why Facebook marketing is important for every business. Facebook marketing is effective. Many marketers are skeptical about the effectiveness of Facebook ads. They always ask, will Facebook marketing work for their organizations or not? The answer is in the statistics that I am going to show you. Look here, this is the revenue report of the Facebook. During the last decade, Facebook has recorded a steady increase in advertising revenue year over year. The reason is Facebook ads work. Further, in a survey conducted by Perkins, it was found that 78% of American consumers say they have discovered the product on Facebook. Setting up advertising campaign is simple. Setting up of an Facebook advertising campaign is not a rocket science. Believe me, it's very simple process. Anyone having the Facebook ID can start creating the Facebook advertising campaigns from the day one. If you have the basic knowledge about the advertising campaigns that I am going to impart through various modules in this course, you are all set to run your advertising campaigns. Moreover, the results are very fast. The moment you launch your first Facebook advertising campaign, within few minutes you will see that your ad has started getting views from your target audience. You are dealing with the true audience. The most important advantage of Facebook advertising is that you are dealing with the true audience. Now what does it mean? Actually, Facebook built its audience based on the basis of genuine data provided by the audience. If you talk about Google Ads, then databases of audience is built on the basis of guesstimates, not on the basis of actual data. Therefore, in Facebook marketing, you can target the audience very precisely with a surety that data is correct. No doubt, there are fake accounts on the Facebook as well. As per report of Facebook 2018, Facebook has only 3 to 4% of profiles as fake, and Facebook is continuously involved in the process of removing the fake accounts. Facebook campaigns are easy to customize. As discussed, starting the campaign on Facebook is not a rocket science. The campaign setup platform in Facebook advertising is very simple, intuitive, and easy to understand. There are 11 types of objective in Facebook advertising platform. Just select an appropriate objective of your campaign, target audience, design your ad, and that's all. You can customize your campaign setting at any time when the campaign is active. We are going to learn about the entire process of designing the Facebook campaigns. Just wait for that. Continuous update of the features. Advertising platform of Facebook is very dynamic. Facebook keeps on adding more and more features to this platform to make it more user-friendly. Don't get surprised if tomorrow you open the Facebook and there is a new feature that was not yesterday. So you have to be very alert when the new features are announced. Try to explore various features of Facebook advertising and definitely you can make best out of it. So this was the basic information about Facebook marketing, and we discussed why to choose this platform for advertising purpose. I hope you must have realized the power of Facebook when it comes to promote your brand or product on Facebook. So in the next video, I will discuss about various Facebook ad formats that you can design under various campaigns. Thank you.